to do is jump. Then jump again. Oh, but I died. This might be a 3-part video. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. I think it would be really fun if I actually played as Mr. Red Plumber, the knockoff Mario. Just imagine if Mario's the knockoff Mr. Red Plumber. Hey, can I get Mr. Red Plumber 64? No! Come on. Please tell me that I had a checkpoint. No, it's okay. I can make it. Wait. No, I died. I really like this game because there's no sound, really. So I can talk, kind of like the Among Us game that I played. That was not me sneezing. But no. Write in the comments, get this, drop this silly. Dropped this silly in the comments if you've seen Murder Drones. Then write, don't call me needy in the comments if you've seen, Battle for Dream Islands. Don't call her needy. No. This is going to be a 3-part series. Jump. Good job. Jump. Jump. And okay, let's go. Yeah! Did it. Found us? We don't bother those dinos, we swear. What is this? What is this? And I can barely see it. Okay. If you like my content, I'm gonna make a part 3 video soon. Well, it's gonna be take place right after this part 2 video, but let me finish the stage after this one before I make it. Let me go down. Can you make it through the forest maze? I think so. And isn't he supposed to be a good guy? Why is he there in the ground watching me? That's a little, creepy. Where do I go? I think I'm just gonna go this way this time. The exit has to be close. What? Dead end? There must have been something that I missed. Oh wait, these are harmless? I always thought that they were harm. Oh, I think that was the maze. But that wasn't the obby. So you made it out, now I have to make out the cave there. Okay. Oh, am I gonna fight the big bad Bow Wow now? Now? Or is it just Bow? I forget if it's Bow or Bow Wow. No! Helicopter! No! Why are all the good guys good and all the bad guys bad? This is so weird. Yeah, I think this game is almost done. I just need to get in there. So yeah, bye.